so excited. I can't believe we're finally moving in together. But I have to be honest with you. I am a little overwhelmed just thinking about packing and moving all this stuff.
Yeah, I know, and I feel bad that I'm gonna be out of town that week that you're moving. I won't be able to help. Actually, remember that last time I moved, I was still recovering from that back injury?
Oh, that's right.
And I couldn't really do any heavy lifting or packing or anything like that. So I used this company called Clutter, Moving and Storage, and they took care of all of it.
Everything.
Everything. I didn't have to lift a finger.
Wow, they sound like exactly what I need. I went to clutter.com, where I was able to plan my whole move by answering a few questions. I didn't need to make a single phone call. And after filling out some information about my move, they gave me a quote immediately that was transparent and affordable. They even scheduled a one-on-one virtual walkthrough of my home with a Clutter team member so that they could prepare everything I'll need.
Hi Rasha, my name is Angela. Thank you for choosing Clutter Moving and Storage. Are you ready for your virtual walkthrough?
Yes, now's a good time.
Awesome, just walk me through your home and show me everything you need help packing or moving.
All right, so everything you see here, this is in my living room. All of this is gonna be packed.
Great.
And then I'm gonna walk you over to my kitchen right now. I plan on taking everything that's in the kitchen cabinets and drawers, which you can see right here. And then of course, all my clothes.
This is a move we can easily handle within a day. We'll be sending in 2 professional movers for your upcoming move. They will help you pack everything and unpack as well if you'd like them to. Do you have any other questions for me about our other services?
Can you tell me more about your storage options? You know, I've lived in this house for 10 years and I've accumulated a lot of things that I know won't all fit into my fiance's place. So I don't want to get rid of them either.
Of course. So when our professional movers come to your home, just let them know which items you'd like to put into storage. They will photograph and categorize each item and then wrap and pack them up. You'll be able to see everything you have in storage on your online photo catalog basically right away.
What if I need something back?
Well, unlike traditional storage, you won't need to visit a unit, rent a truck, or even dig through tons of boxes just to get one item back. With Clutter Smart Storage, whenever you need an item back, you can just request it through your catalog and we'll deliver it straight to you.
That sounds amazing. What can I store with you though?
Honestly, anything. You can really customize your storage plan with us. Some of our customers store everything while they're looking for a new home, but some just store holiday decorations or winter clothes just to keep their homes organized and clutter-free.
That's fun. What storage size do you think I'll need?
They'll completely depend on how many items you're storing, but the great thing is we only charge you for the closest size you take up with your items. And as you take a lot of things out, we'll downgrade you automatically to a smaller storage plan so that you're never paying more than the size you need.
That sounds so convenient. Now, I have a lot of delicate items that I'm concerned about breaking. Can Clutter handle that too?
Of course, don't worry. All of our movers are licensed and professionally trained in-house. They'll treat all of your items as if they were their own. We will use moving blankets and edge protectors to move any fragile items. Our movers will also help you take apart and put your furniture back together.
Thanks so much for telling me more about Clutter services.
Of course, we're happy to help. I'll send over your finalized quote right now. We're super excited to help you with your upcoming move. Have a great day.
Thank you, you too.
Bye.
On moving day, you can track your mover's location on the Teal app as they're on their way. You can also see their photos and names, so you feel safe when you greet them at your door. Customers can choose to pack on their own if they prefer, but if you'd like Clutter to pack for you, they'll provide all the materials, including boxes, bubble wrap, packing paper, and tape.
It's so great to finally be living together. And thank you so much for Clutter. They made moving super easy and stress-free.
Oh, that's great. I'm so glad everything worked out so well with Clutter.
Yes, and now we can focus on our wedding and decorating this place. I found some things in this magazine already, look.
Ooh, yeah, I like that.
And then I was thinking we could do this right up in this space here.
Oh, yeah,
Right?
that's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm really excited to turn this place into our home.
Me too.
To get started on your move or to reserve storage, visit clutter.com/designingspaces. Head to designingspaces.tv for more information.